Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. In this video, we are going to learn a logic that will help us to write a program that will simulate calculator, basic calculator actually. So here what we'll do, we'll learn a logic that will help us to perform various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And in turn, it will simulate the basic calculator. So let's proceed further. So uh, i- if you want to write a program for simulation of the calculator like this basic calculator, you can write the program like this. And let's see what is the logic behind this. Okay, so before that, various concepts that are used in these programs are switch case, break statement, printf and scanf, and arithmetic operators and if statements. Okay, so let's see the logic. So this is the program look like this, and you have various codes, and let's see the logic. So when this program execution is start, then you it will come here and it will declare to three variables and then another variables, and then it will come at this line and it will say enter the expression, enter the expression. So it will come here and it will print something like that, enter the expression. So the expression is nothing but you want to perform addition. Suppose if you want to perform addition, then you will say uh, you will write addition operation like 2 plus 3. So when you write this 2 plus 3, what will happen? This scanf, whatever is there here, this scanf, what it will do, it will read it. So it will read this 2 plus 3, and what will happen, this 2 will go inside this one, because here if you see this, right, first is O1 and then OP and then O2. So what will happen, 2 will go to O1 and plus will go to OP and 3 will go to O2. Okay, so you can see this in pictorial like this. So what will happen now, the value of OP is plus here. So next what will happen, it will come here to this switch case, and it will, the value of OP is plus. So what will happen, this plus and this plus is matching. So what will happen, it will come here, and then what it will do, it will perform addition operation like result equal to O1 plus O2. So O1 value is 2 and O3 value is, O2 value is 3. So what will happen, it will perform the operation, addition operation, and store the result into this result variable. So whenever this line of code will get executed, then what will happen, it will print the, this line will print the result like this. The result of the expression is 5.00. Okay, so this is the case of addition. And one more thing you can keep in mind is that this break means break the execution here, means it will break from here, means it will not execute these lines of code, it will directly from here, what will happen, it will come out of this and then stop the program execution. Okay, so let's see another operation, and the final output will be like this. So in console, basically it will ask you enter the expression, and then you will say 2 plus 3, and then the result is like this. You will see like this. Okay, so let's see another example. In this case, we want to perform multiplication. So what will happen when you perform this operation? In this case, what will happen, the OP value will be this star is nothing but multiplication symbol. So what will happen, when this line of code will get executed, then this OP will match with this star, and then in this case what will happen, this multiplication will be performed, and then again this result will be printed, and then next what will happen, the line of code at this time, it will break, means it will stop the execution, it will come out of this here. Okay, if you don't know the concept of switch case, then you can watch my videos in the link given below. Okay, so the final output will be like this. You will first, you will be asked to enter the expression, then you'll say 2 star 3, and then result of the expression is 6.0. Okay, so like this you will can try for this minus and then for division. Okay, so thank thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.